Can you tell us a bit about that in terms of being New Zealand-born Samoan? You're very proud of your Samoan heritage, and I mentioned your Chinese ancestry as well. Ni hao ma, ni hao ma.
Mum will be very happy to mention that.
How does that inform your art and even maybe your time in the force? Because when I look at a lot of these pieces, they're very strong and powerful images, but yet for many of them, I don't actually see faces.
Yes,
which I'm sure is intentional.
Yeah, one of the very first paintings I did, and that is also sort of buys into my style. People recognise, oh, Dave doesn't do faces much, but it's funny. I told you at the beginning that my first art was doing faces in that, so I can do faces and I can do it quite accurately. But for me, I wanted to do art where it could be anyone.
Nice.
And so someone can look at a picture like that and say, that reminds me of my uncle. If you had a specific look of a person's face, people might not relate to it. Say, oh, that looks like someone I know. But so what? Where I did the swat of the face, it for me it was that so anyone can relate to it, and it could be anyone.